The Mistress of Philippines 2018 would like to acknowledge our following sponsors: the North Road Manila, Classic Hotel, Network Hotel, Dental First, Clean Water Park and Resort, Crossroad, Kalaya Medical Group, Asian Aesthetic Clinic, the Municipality of Puerto Galera, Guadalupe, Brian, Fairview Terraces Mall, Cala Zapatos, the province of Bulacan, Mogu, Island Rose, Travel Group of Publications, Dino Parties, Viva Torero Magazine, ABS-CBN, Fab Manila, Cine Field Fab, Slick Shutter Photography, the online partners, Missology, Liveness South Central, Sash Factor, we'd also like to acknowledge the presence of Mr. Edmund Chua, Mr. Jay Pato, Mr. Noro Belloso, Attorney Tom, Mr. Ariel Agasa, Mr. Francis Kaliwaki, Mr. Columbia, and Papa Waki Menezes. Miss Kathy Capistrano, Miss Christine Layorita, Miss Lou Gomez, Miss Rodel Salvador, Miss Geraldine Talania, Mr. Dan Guerrero, Miss Arina Molina, Mr. Roland Ladaza, Mr. Caloy Valera, Mr. Carl Perez, and Miss Erin and Miss Athena Countries. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the members of the Board of Judges.
Pinoy,
For Laksen Hotel for providing us with this wonderful venue. Networld Hotel, Dental First, Clearwater Park Resort, Crossroad, Kalayan Medical Group, Asian Aesthetic Clinic, the Municipality of Puerto Galera, Glorieta, Prime, Fairview Terraces Mall, Cara Zapatos, Province of Bulacan, Mogu Mogu, Island Rose, Journal Group of Publication, Diamond Laboratories, Viva Coturera Magazine, and we'd also like to thank ABS-CBN Channel 2, Fab Manila, Cine Film Fab, Slick Shutter Photography. We'd also like to acknowledge the presence of our very important friends, Mr. Edwin Chua, Mr. Fleur Saberon of Musicology, Mr. Jay Pataw, Mr. Nolan Rioso, Mr. Attorney Ton, Mr. Ariel Agasa, Mr. Francis Kalubaki, Mr. Colin Yap, Mr. Joel Maniquez, and Mr. Ray Pumalo.